Hey, it's Dave Knight here, Dave Knight Trading. Oh my goodness, 2 videos in 1 week. What's going on? Hey, I want to talk to you about an FU bar today because I got caught in it and I want to talk about it. So I'm going to go back to the 10 o'clock mark and then I want to show you that and the 3 minute chart. And let's do it. Okay, so I went back in time to show it. And now there was a 10 o'clock report, but it was listed as orange on Forex Factory. So I wasn't expecting um, a reaction, but I got caught. So I had a stop right about here, I think, and I was short or long, I forget. I think I was, yeah, I think I was short at that point because we were below the 50 bar MA and we had this going on right here. And I got caught before, so it went up and then it came down. And it's really interesting to see. Let's stop the screen draw. It's really interesting to watch it. Now I got caught because I was short in a trade when the report came out, and I mean it just this is the bar, this 3 minute bar. So we've got this going on. We had this. And yeah, I mean, I guess you're looking at maybe that's the true movement that it was going to do. Um, but I was short into this move. Now, whether that's wrong or bad, I should have exited the trade before the report came out, right? That would have been the smart thing to do. But I was in it and I was looking for, well, if it would have went my way quickly, went this way first, then I would have hit one of my profit targets and then it would have hit the stop loss on. So it could have, woulda, shoulda, coulda, right? WSC, woulda, shoulda, coulda. It could have went down and then up, and then it would have knocked out. I was trading 3 micros, so it would have knocked out 2 right in here because that was in the profit area, and it was stopped out 1 on the move back. This is what I'm calling the FU bar. So if you look at it, let's just get the box around it. It's this specific bar right there, and it's a 3 minute bar. So you can see inside that 3 minutes, it closed lower, opened, it went up to start, went down, and all that happened very quickly. And I'll show you the tick chart on it, and then it closes right in that area at the 3 minute mark. Then the next bar opens here, and then it goes up for a little bit. So I ended up got stopped on this move, and I went back long, and I was able to have a profitable trading day. But it definitely, I took a $200 hit, and I was down about $300 about this point right here. And I was able to get it back and go above 100. And I finished the day. Now I'm in PA. Oh, I should have said this off the bat. I did qualify for another PA with the whatever 1 day close, whatever. It took me like 2 days to get back to PA. Notice this is PA number 27, and I am up roughly $631 after this week was over. I started trading Tuesday of this week, and you can see I'm up 631. Now, what's the goal? The goal, once again, is to get to 5,000 or 20. The count to 30,000. So a $5,000 gain, and then request a $1,500 withdrawal. That's my overall plan right now, and I'm sticking to it. I'm just moving that back where I want it on screen. All right, so there is the FU bar. And once again, you can see what it looks like on the 3-minute chart right there at the 10 o'clock mark. If I was smart, I would have been flat into, but it wasn't, I mean, it really wasn't a really important report. Let me see if at least I didn't see it as important, but it acted important. It was orange, it wasn't red. So maybe I should have. Inflation expectations. Never heard of this report before. But it's a brand new, I guess it's a brand newish report. The consumer sentiment came out and look, it was green. So they're looking at people who are happier out there, University of Michigan consumer sentiment. So you would think that that would be an overall positive, but everything is relative to what the market tells you at any given time. It really doesn't matter what you think. It's what the market thinks at that time. So you can see that overall, let me get my screen draw tool out again, that the market, if we look at specifically this little area right here, this is the same section that we're looking at, and it finishes up, well, you don't even see it. It says 10:02 right up here. So we still need another minute, but you can see that it basically stayed inside a range after it went up and down. See, it went up first, went down second, and it went further down than it went up. So you can see that it definitely would have, well, maybe you don't see it, but let me just say that trading 3 contracts here, if it would have went down first and then up, then I would have got 2 contracts off here and lost 1 because the other one was below, was right here at the pivot line roughly, I think. I don't think pivot was there, but who knows. Regardless, it was down here, it was below this mark. So the 2 would have got off and the 1 didn't. But what happened is all 3 micros got knocked out right in that area. And then I had a loss before that, so I was down 100, and then I was down 200 more. But then I ended up getting this move right in here after the fact, and I was able to get back to positive. If we just show you this. And I think that I came out right around here with it. Yeah, I got out before this moved down. So I was up here, might have got out here, might have got out on this bar. But I was out when it crossed. I believe this was my exit point. I let this one, and then when this bar printed, I think that was my exit on the trades, and I was able to grab this run right here. And that made me go up roughly $100, and I was quite happy and satisfied with that after getting burned. So I finished my second week of training at Humana. Thought I'd just share a little bit with you. So be careful of the FU bar, right? God bless, take care. I'll see you on the next video I put together. The better thing is to do is be flat into an economic report. I'm normally flat on every red ones, and I missed this 10 o'clock one. And it burned me, but I was able to turn a negative into a positive today. But I got close to getting stopped out on losing about $500. So I lost about 300 and was able to go the other swing. So I did a $700 swing today, minus 300, and then a $700 swing. I guess that's a $400 swing, right? Nah, it is what it is. So I finished up 100. So I made up the 300 and it's a $400 swing, right? Okay. Bye for now.